Who said paleo diet is not for vegans? You can take full advantage of paleo diet even if you are a vegan? Yes, what you have seen above is correct. You can shift to paleo lifestyle even you are a vegan. Are you still not convinced? You do one thing, you go to the Google images and search with word, paleo diet, you will find a whole lot of vegetables and fruits. Nuts and seeds. Here you must understand one fact. Paleo diet is not a diet per se. It is a lifestyle. You are shifting to processed and preserved foods to natural and organic foods. That's all paleo diet is all about. Don't get confused with the phrase, paleo diet. Paleo diet is not a diet. So don't get carried away by the myth of, paleo diet is not for vegans. In fact, you have a wide variety of choices. You can experiment combining various vegetables, nuts and seeds. Everything is under your control. Let me reveal something that will shake your belief. 70% of diets you eat are derived from 4 food groups. Refined sugars, cereals and grains, vegetable oils, dairy products. Do you still think that what you're eating is healthy? No, it is not. Bread, donuts, cookies, cake, pizza, and ice cream are different types of food apparently, but they're all made from the same basic unhealthy ingredients. Paleo diet, predominantly vegetarian diet. Of course, in paleo diet you eat poultry and fish also. And that represents merely 10 to 30% depending on your tolerance to such foods. Bottom line, make no mistake by holding incorrect beliefs. It is the time to enjoy a wide variety of natural, unprocessed and organic foods that your body cells are begging for. Your body cells celebrate and say thank you for giving them what they want. Healthy cells, healthy body, healthy lifestyle that is possible only through paleo diet. If you believe what I'm saying, follow this link to grab your copy of Paleo Diet Recipes. Imagine, have beautiful look and radiant energy. It is only possible through natural diets. Click here to get started with Paleo Diet new recipes.